What would you say is the key to being more productive as a music creator? I really struggle with being focused on what I do. I'm trying to keep a pace of a track a month. Is this reasonable? Make music making part of your daily habit. If you can't commit to 4 hours of production a day or something like that, then start with 10 minutes. Yeah, like any habit that you want to make a part of your life, you have to put in the time to do it every day. So a track a month could turn into 2 tracks a month. And I feel like a track a month is kind of on the lower end, but there will be months when I don't really produce a track as well. I'll be working on other things and feeling fulfilled from those things. But if I wanted to be a professional musician or producer or whatever, it's got to be a faster pace than that. But also you can't get into the trap of feeling like you're not good enough and then you're not good enough because of feeling like that. So it's very easy to get into that. And I hope that's not where you're at right now. But I would say just start slow, spend less time researching, more time doing, and, you know, things like separating the sound design process or file management or sample library auditioning, and like just start preparing all your tools so that you're ready when the inspiration's there. Making a library of all of your favorite kick drums, just getting them into one folder so they're ready to go and you don't need to go through all these different libraries and things.